It's day 11 of our 12 Days of Christmas giveaway, and it's nearly Christmas. We are so close. So for today's prize draw, you could be entered in with a chance of winning a fantastic cake decorating kit. All you've got to do is place an order online, over the phone, or subscribe to our mailing list to be in with a chance of winning this fantastic prize. We have loads of bargains on our website at dctuk.com with up to 60% off all flooring products. And today is the last day that you can order any Levanto LVT products to get it in time for Christmas. So keep an eye on all of our socials because the prize draw will end at midnight tonight and the winner will be announced tomorrow. So keep shopping!